noontime, but we got so much freezing rain and stuff, it knocked out the power. So I've got some kindling. I got some pieces of wood that I'm making into kindling right here. Make it smaller to make it easier to put our big logs on the fire. I've already got me a little pal going right there. But yeah, I am out here. Oh my, this is not staying. My little tripod thing. I'm out here having to cut some kindling so we can have heat in the house since the power went out. And every time a piece of wood hits the little plants here, it literally breaks them in half because there's so much ice. There's around a fourth of an inch of ice on the plants. But I got this real good dry wood, and it can be made into smaller pieces to help start a fire, because I got some real heavy pieces of wood for when it's really cold. You put a big heavy piece of wood in, and it works really well. But I did get a bunch of good photos that I took the time to go through, and when I get the chance, I am going to post them on my on the Facebook for you all to see. See that? It's just like yeah, there's trees down everywhere, even through the forest. I could have like went up in the season and picked up some small sticks to cut wood to start the fire, but I didn't. But when you got good dry wood that splits easy, that's your kindling that you can use. Well, I'm going to be going. I got just a little, I got this much more to do, if you can see it. That way it'll last for a few days, but yeah, just I'm going to let you all see the trees around here. The branches have broken. The poor little plants, well, they break too. Yeah, we got a lot of ice on our trees here. And my wood pile's getting a little low, but that's okay. And our pine tree right here, this was a real pretty pine tree. But yeah, if you look, there's ice on all these trees. Around 1/4 of an inch, and I guess that's why it knocked out the power. But our pine tree, it's just split in half. Oh no, it did not split in half. The weight of it caused the the pine tree to come up out of the ground. I thought it just fell in half, but it didn't. And it does not have real deep roots because we got like bedrock or something underneath here. So I guess my husband will have he'll have some work to do when he gets home. Get out that chainsaw because it's too heavy. It's a 22-inch chainsaw. And I just can't pull that string like that. You gotta pull it like that. Yeah, but I thought it split in half, but it didn't. It's just got knocked out of the ground. But look how heavy these branches are. I just want you to look at that. Look at that ice that has formed. Yeah, and we got some melting, so the temperature's rising, but look at that. That's how much ice is on the trees. But it's beautiful. It's a winter wonder icy land. But that's why I'm cutting me some more kindling, because I don't know how long our power is going to be out, because they got a lot of other people that they need to tend to who have no alternative source of heat. And we have an alternative source of heat, and you know, we can stick our pans on the stove with some water in them and cook whatever we need to, or you know, have some hot tea or coffee. Yeah, when the power went out at 2 in the morning, I stuck my metal teapot on that buck stove so I would have hot water when I got up in the morning, and it was. But yeah, so I'm going to end this video, but we got a winter icy land here.